Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Surah Yaseen fast. First, understand the immense virtues and benefits of this powerful surah, which will boost your motivation. Next, set a realistic daily goal, perhaps memorizing 1 or 2 verses each day. Break the surah into smaller, manageable sections, like a few verses at a time, to make the task less daunting. Finally, listen to clear recitations regularly. This helps with pronunciation and rhythm, making memorization much smoother and more effective. To effectively memorize, recite each verse multiple times, perhaps 10 to 15 times, before moving to the next. Always use a mushaf with clear, easy-to-read Arabic script to avoid errors. Practice active recall by testing yourself frequently. Try to recite without looking at the text. Furthermore, focus on understanding the meaning of each verse. This deeper comprehension creates stronger memory links, helping you retain the verses for a much longer time and making your learning more meaningful. Consistency is key for long-term retention. Maintain a consistent daily practice schedule, even if it is for only 15 to 20 minutes. Regularly review previously memorized sections to prevent forgetting. Perhaps dedicate 1 day a week solely to review. Incorporate reciting Surah Yaseen in your daily prayers, which reinforces your memory. Additionally, seek feedback from a knowledgeable teacher or a trusted friend to correct any mistakes and ensure accuracy in your recitation and memorization. For enhanced retention and understanding, connect verses to their broader context and themes within the surah. Utilize translation and tafsir, which are explanations, for deeper comprehension of the meanings. A powerful technique is to teach what you have learned to others. This solidifies your own knowledge. Lastly, make sincere supplications or du'as to Allah for ease in your learning journey. This spiritual connection provides immense help and blessings in your efforts to memorize Surah Yaseen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.